Welcome to our exploration of how Industry 5.0 is revolutionizing the jewelry manufacturing industry. This new chapter emphasizes human-machine collaboration, enhancing creativity, precision, and efficiency in ways never seen before. Smarald is a family-inherited retail luxury goods and jewelry company founded in 1993. Our vision is to leverage advanced technologies and digital systems such as autonomous robots, collaborative robots, and advanced data analytics to improve customization, efficiency, and productivity of the manufacturing process in jewelry production. Let's start by looking at the role of robotics in jewelry manufacturing. Robots excel in tasks requiring high precision and repetition, ensuring even the smallest details are executed with flawless precision, reducing production times and human errors. Powered by artificial intelligence and advanced sensor technologies, these machines perform tasks difficult or time-consuming for humans. This results in more consistent quality and fewer errors, showcasing the power of robotics in manufacturing. However, in Industry 5.0, robots are not replacing humans. Instead, they enhance what humans can do, allowing for more sophisticated and personalized designs that are impossible to achieve with robotics alone. The integration of robotics reduces production time while maintaining quality. Manufacturers can scale up production to meet demand without sacrificing craftsmanship, allowing businesses to compete on a larger scale. Humans bring irreplaceable creativity and design skills to the table, making key artistic decisions that define each piece of jewelry. This partnership allows technology to handle precision while humans focus on beauty and individuality. This partnership between humans and robots enables more personalized jewelry designs. Customers can request unique pieces, and robots execute precise details, while artisans focus on the design vision, offering endless creative opportunities. So, what does this human-robot collaboration mean for the jewelry industry? It opens up endless possibilities for personalization, allowing artisans to focus on creating truly unique, customized pieces. Industry 5.0 promotes sustainability by reducing material waste through optimized production. Robots ensure every cut and polish is precise, speeding up production without compromising on quality. This collaboration allows jewelers to bring new designs to market faster. Industry 5.0 is redefining what's possible in jewelry design, blending the best of technology and human craftsmanship. Industry 5.0 marks a transformative shift for jewelry manufacturing. By combining robotics precision with human artisans' creativity, the industry achieves levels of quality and personalization once unimaginable. We're moving into a future where human intuition and machine precision work hand in hand to create stunning pieces of jewelry. The possibilities are endless for this evolving partnership between humans and machines. Industry 5.0 redefines the art of jewelry making, blending the best of technology and human craftsmanship.